Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My full name is Angelina Suratawedon, but people usually call me Ansi. I'm class A and I'm from majoring biology. Now I will explain about biological material, namely genetics. Genetic or hereditary factors are information that every cell of a living creature has that can be passed on to its offspring. In a DNA sequence, there are instructions that influence traits or determine the characteristic of living things. Meanwhile, genetic factors are a body condition that can occur due to the influence of our previous ancestors who were part of the family lineage. This genetic factor can actually happen to us. For example, if our family, maybe parents or grandparents, have diabetes, then it is very likely that we will get diabetes too. In general, all genetic information that determines the characteristic of living things stored in DNA, which is located in the cell nucleus. DNA becomes quite long strands. To be arranged in the small cell nucleus, DNA strands are wrapped around proteins called histone proteins. In studying genetic information, there is a branch of biology known as genetics. With histone proteins, DNA coils form chromatin strands. When cells divide, these chromatin strands will form chromosomes, and genetic material itself consists of chromosomes, genes, DNA, and RNA. Check out the complete discussion below. Each chromosome has hundreds of loci, so that in a cell there are thousands of genes. For example, it estimated that there are 26,000 to 40,000 genes in the human body with 46 chromosomes. This also causes one individual to have thousands of traits. There are kinds of components that make up genes, namely histone, or component consisting of hundreds of nucleotides. Region or component this is more than a gene and consisting of one or two pairs of nucleotides. Muton or a component larger than a region and consisting of one or two attached nucleotides. There are two things that determine the types of genes, namely their nature and role. Based on their nature, genes divide into their namely dominant genes with strong expression, which are denoted by capital letters. Semi-dominant genes with expression between dominant and recessive genes. Recessive genes with weak expression are denoted by lowercase letters. Based on their role, genes are divided into two, namely structural genes that code for proteins or enzymes with expression controlled by regulator genes. Okay guys, that's all for me about biological material, namely genetics. Thank you.